The light bulbs were burned out and the screen door was torn. He sat with a letter that was faded and worn. She had written, "I'll love you forever," and he remembered that line, but sometimes forever can be a very short time. So he picked up a bottle and threw the letter on the stack, started loving something that couldn't love him back. And he stumbled through the day looking for a life he had lost, just another casualty of the Alcoholocaust.
As they crumble to the sea, broken men when beaten down forget about the dreams and the faith of your convictions that you swore would never fold, till you learn the one you trusted has been bought and sold. There's one first time for everything, that's all you'll ever get. Your first love, your first loss, from birth until you're dead. The train has left the station and is moving down the track. Once you cross that line, there'll be no turning back.